In this video, I'm going to be showing you how to share Apple Music with family. Make sure to watch this video till the very end to prevent any mistakes in the process. You're first going to begin by going to your settings and clicking on the top option, which says your name, Apple ID, iCloud, Media, and Purchases. Now you're going to click Family Sharing. Now, as you can see, I am already in a family plan. But if you are not in a family plan yet, you will be given a prompt to set up your account. Make sure to do so, and then you'll be given an option to add different people to your family. Now, if you close this off, now you can actually go into your Apple Music and go to Listen Now. Now, this will actually be able to prompt you to add more family members to your plan because you need a upgraded plan. So click on the top right corner on the profile icon and you'll be given a prompt to actually upgrade it. Now, since I'm already on the highest upgraded Apple Music plan, I do not have this option, but you'll be given the prompt and you can do so just like that. You'll be able to share it with up to 6 people with an upgraded family plan. And that's all there is to it. Make sure to leave a like, comment, and subscribe to the channel. Thanks so much for watching, and see you in the next video.